In this video I'm going to show you how to save video on CapCut. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And here I got some video project. I have already edited it, I added there some effects, and now if I want to save that video I can use two ways to do that. The first way is to hit there at X icon and it saves this video as project inside CapCut application, not in your gallery, so you can in any time go back to that project and continue editing that project if you want. But if you want to save this video to your phone's gallery, all you have to do is first there select the quality, the resolution and the frame rate for that video. You can simply move that sliders to select the exact parameters that you need, and after that just hit here at share icon, and as you can see video is now being exported, and now it's done. The video saved to device and project. I can hit done, then I can open up photos, and here it is. As you can see, it's saved and in the gallery and in photos, and here it is. I can tap on it and play it if I want. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.